Good morning, friends. Today in heat transfer, we will discuss a new topic. It is called thermal resistance, or specifically thermal contact resistance. So, what is thermal contact resistance? If we consider a one plane which is attached with the other body, means we have two wall. One wall is attached with the second wall. So at the interference there is a small voids, as we all know that none of surface is perfectly smooth. So there is some surface valley and peak which is joined with the other surface and valley, so that there is always small gap between two wall. This due to this void or gap, we are the heat transfer is resist, or we can say the temperature is drop in these voids. So this is called thermal contact resistance. The temperature profile through the solid surface at their interference experience a sudden drop in the temperature at interference between two body. This temperature drop in interference is result of thermal contact resistance. This thermal contact resistance at interference develop when the two surfaces do not fit tightly together. As we discussed in this example, a thin layer of fluid, air or surrounding fluid, it may be dipped in a water or maybe other chemical, or it may be in the air in mostly case. So this gap is filled by the surrounding fluid. This contact resistance is a function of surface roughness, the pressure holding the two surface, and the property of fluid and the interference of temperature. So if we draw a temperature profile for this composite wall, so if there is a no drop, we can easily find that the temperature is T1 here and T2 here. We can draw in this way also, but due to contact resistance our profile become like this. So there is this is the temperature drop at interference. So our temperature is T1, it is T2, and this temperature is T3 and T4. So there is a slightly drop in a temperature at a interference. The direct contact between the solid surface take place at a limited number of spot. The void is filled by the surrounding fluid. As we discussed, the heat conduction through fluid filling the void is mainly by conduction, since there is no convection in such thin layer of fluid and the radiation effect are negligible. The void are so small that we can neglect the radiation effect. For that, in case the thermal conductivity of fluid film is void is less than the thermal conductivity of solid, the interference act as a resistance to heat flow. This is known as thermal contact resistance. Thank you.